Hey guys, so hubby's home. I'm gonna do a meal replacement so that we can have dinner whenever we have it and I don't have to worry about my calories. So I'm gonna do my scoop of pea-based protein powder that comes from Sun Warrior. I did a detailed live stream this morning that went over questions and answers about the Iraqi dinar and what I think is happening with a lot of different things. I'm also doing a scoop of the Sun Warrior collagen building protein peptides. It's in Tahitian vanilla. I just love that. I'm also doing all my Relive, which is the classic or the now, whatever you choose. You basically shake out the scoop, and then you take a full rounded scoop in each shake. Always put the powder on top of the water for those of you who are just starting on Relive. Then you put a little bit of Energize. This is a cell hydrator. It's great for the body. I took a basic shake with Fiber Store last night after all the sugar, and it really helped me work through it this morning, if you know what I mean. Also, a full scoop of Fiber Store once a day. Last night I took a full scoop after that carb dinner with all the sugar, and I swear to you, it worked out my body while I slept. And then I had my water, I did my stretches, and then boom, after my live stream, it was good. Cardio Essentials. I was feeling a little woozy because I did such a long live stream and got through everybody's emails, and then I had to go downstairs and help get my husband's laundry ready for tomorrow. Provantage and Energize scoop of that. That's like a third a scoop in each shake. It keeps my muscles from getting torn. Guys, it's oil for your muscles. This is for your joints. Arth Effect, it's for the joints. I put this on the dog's food. I take a minimum of 2 scoops a day. And then this is 24K for brain enhancing ingredients, and it's got a really nice berry flavor. There's no caffeine in this. Unlike the blue single form Energize, although that will give you an Energize boost and also open up your cells to receive the nutrition. So that's just a little bit about the Relive. I want to do a short about that for people who've never heard of it, guys. And you can also build a great business if you join me in the business. And so then I shake it up like this, so the powder isn't, so it's not going to get, I make sure the waters I put ice in it, yogurt, and some berries. I'll see you later, guys. No more intel. I'm off for today. I just wanted to do this to let you know how I'm breaking my fast so that when I have my dinner, I don't have to worry about it. And then after dinner or before dinner, I'll take my secondary shake. But because I'm having dessert, I'm going to take after dinner, I'm going to take the basics, the Arth Effect, the Energize, and the Fiber Store just to get the sugar out of my system after. Okay, those are tips. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. If you love these tips, comment down below. What are you having for dinner? Comment down below. We're having filet with bacon wrapped. We're going to have a feast. Okay, I love you. Peace.